Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this show tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix flashlight not working on iPhone. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Check camera flashlight. For that, first open the camera app on your iPhone. Then turn off camera flashlight at the top left corner of the menu. Then taking a photo with flash enabled. If the camera flashlight works and the flashlight doesn't work, it could be a software update. So update your iPhone. Solution 2. Software update. For that, go to the settings menu on your iOS device. In the settings menu, tap on General. In the General settings, tap on Software update. Here, ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Solution 3. Check your flashlight. For that, open the control center on your iOS device. Then long press on your flashlight under the focus icon. Here you need to swipe up and swipe down the flashlight and check your flashlight is working or not. So in this way you can solve your problem. That's all for today. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.